So I got these leathers when I got out of prison in 2006 after spending a decade in a cell. I had these leathers, a Jackson hood, some steel toe boots, a chip and hammer, and a wire brush was like my first kit. That was my starter kit, and literally that was my starter kit. And me and these leathers, man, we had made a lot of money together. We had been through a lot. The bib in the front used to be longer. I cut it off. It snaps on and off, but these are now pretty, they pretty worn out, but they still good though. I probably have one small hole in the whole thing. So they have protect me a lot of times in some tight situations. And I tell you one thing, man, that I'm thankful for. I'm thankful that I had the opportunity to start small, because starting small made me humble and realize what I now need to make it. And that's the knowledge that I possess. The knowledge I possess from different job sites, the knowledge I possess from being under different foremen and working for different companies and learning different skills of welding and learning different techniques under different people that have been doing it for 20, 30, 40 years, you know what I mean? And then I get out there and start doing it, and I just pick up fast, you know, and I started figuring out what direction I really wanted to go in. And actually, I'm gonna be honest with you, man, I think that's the part where you decide to grow up, because there's so many different areas. You got instructing, you got inspecting, you got fabricating, you got installing, you got erecting, you got you got assembling metal. I mean, it's so many different fields that you can jump into. It's ridiculous, man. And I'm happy that I picked welding, because welding actually never has a downtime. You know, every industry almost that makes a lot of money anyway, welding is involved in a lot of them. You know, if it's from welding up their equipment, from welding up some tools, from welding up what they're selling or what they're installing, you know. So I'm thankful, man, that I learned welding, and I'm thankful that, you know, everything that I do have is funny, because, you know, everything that I had when I started, the only thing that I have left is these leathers. These are my evidence of what you have to go through. And you look at it, man, these things have been through some drama. And see, that's my small hole that I got out of the whole thing. Like, they in good shape, but they have been through some drama. And I think in life, man, this happens to us. You go through stuff, man. You go through stuff to build character. You go through stuff to learn lessons and polish your skills, and to develop your techniques and have a stronger mindset and know who you are. You know, I always like to say I don't boast. I just show up and show out, because I allow others to boast and brag on me once they see my work ethics. I ain't got to boast and brag, because I know what I can do. I'm confident now. And I think that's good, because we have to build that confidence, you know? We have to build the confidence of knowing that we can do anything we put our mind to. So, to those who are waking up feeling that, hey, man, I'm discouraged, how I'm going to start, I'm in this bad situation right now, just start from somewhere. Literally, I started with a pair of leathers.